Good morning, students. From today, I am going to start a new chapter in English grammar, that is verbs, the present tense. Now, children, when we start this chapter 6, chapter 7, and chapter 8 are very important chapters. Kindly give your attention here, because after this chapter you are able to create sentences. So, before going to start this chapter, I want to explain two terms here. First one is verbs and the second one is tense. So, before starting this chapter, I want to explain two terms, verbs and tense. As you studied in your earlier classes about verb, what is a verb? Just have a look. A verb is a word which talks about an action we do. I wrote few examples here. Just have a look. Example 1, fire burns. Second, the girls dance. Next, fish swim in the river. Now, all these words which are underlined here show what a person, animal or things are doing. That means it tells us about action. So, all these doing words or action words are known as verb. Now, children, as we know, verbs show action, and the form of the verb also tells us the time of the action. And the time of the action, the form of the verb which tells us the time of the action is known as tense. As we know, an action can happen in present, past and future. I just want to explain it by giving some example. Just have a look. I wrote few example here. I play. Second, I played. And the third one is I shall play. Now, if I want to ask one question, children, tell me what are verbs here. Your answer is in first number play, played, shall play. All these words are verb. But we notice here that these three forms of verb tells us the time of the action. When I play, now. When I played, an earlier time. And when I shall play, sometime later. That means it tells us about time of an action, that is present, past and future. That means we categorize tense into three forms: present, past, future. So what is tense, children? The form of the verbs which tells us the time of the action is known as the tense. Verbs tells us time, and the form of verbs tells us time, and this form of verb is known as tenses, which are categorized into three groups: present tense, past tense and future tense. Now, before starting this chapter, I want to give short introduction of all these tenses, because it's very important what we will study here in this class. Just have a look. First tense is present tense. Now, present tense are further categorized into four categories: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Now, all these four tenses, all these types of present tenses we are going to study in chapter number 6. Present tense are categorized in four groups: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. And we will study all these four types of present tense in chapter number 6. Now come to the next tense, that is past tense. Past tense also categorized in 4 groups: simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. But we will study only 2 kinds of past tense in this class, that is simple past tense and past continuous tense. So these 2 types of past tense we will study in chapter number 7. Come to the next tense, future tense. Future tense also categorized into 4 groups: simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. And here we will study in this class only first group, that is simple future tense, in chapter number 8. So I hope all 3 chapters are clear. Chapter number 6, all kinds of tenses of present tense. Chapter number 7, 2 kinds of past tense. Chapter number 8, 1 kind of future tense. In my next video, we will start chapter number 6. Thank you.